Right now, I'd rather be naked. I like my body with nothing on it. I like swimming with no restrictions. I make sure to look around and see if anyone is coming, but if there's a river, lake, or ocean near me, look out. Or don't look. I don't really care. I often try to change and improve my body. I want to be an optimal fitness lifestyle guru dude, so I too can live the majority of my life in a handstand hoisting acrobats into the sky. But in truth, my body is optimal. If there's sunshine or moonshine, just a little breeze on it, I'm as free as a body can be.